T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0, and liftoff of Space Shuttle Atlantis on a mission to build, resupply, and to do research on the International Space Station.
Houston now controlling. Atlantis begins its penultimate journey to shore up the International Space Station. Atlantis now in the proper alignment for its 8.5-minute ride to orbit, 4.5 million pounds of hardware and humans taking aim on the International Outpost.
Now we've landed on Mars. Our next step is to set up a NASA base.
And let's not forget to deploy our rovers and drones to explore areas that are difficult for us to test.
We should collect rock, soil and atmospheric samples to study Mars, geology, history and search for any potential sign of past or present life.
The channels of Mars are a series of dark lines observed on the surface of Mars for the first time by the Italian astronomer Giovanni Schiaparelli in 1887. These lines were initially believed to be artificial channels built by intelligent life forms on Mars to irrigate fields, but it was later discovered with the invention of more powerful space probes that they were actually natural geological formations such as valleys and canyons.
The face of Mars is a rocky formation on the surface of Mars, located in the Cyan region, 3 km long and 1 km wide, which reveals a human face when viewed from certain angles. This formation was first discovered in 1976 by the Viking 1 orbiter. But subsequent images taken by the Mars Global Soil and Mars Express probes have shown that it is a natural formation and not proof of intelligent life.
The Martian atmosphere is very thin and composed mainly of carbon dioxide, about 55%, with trace of nitrogen and argon. This atmosphere is not capable of supporting life as we know it on the Earth.
There is evidence that Mars had liquid water on its surface in the past. Today, glaciers can be found at the poles, and there are indications of salty water flowing in some areas during the warmer season.
Temperature on Mars was very significant, with events minus 22 degrees Celsius, but they can reach up to 20 degrees Celsius during the day near the equator. Very low gravity is on the Mars, about 38% of Earth's gravity. The Mars had 2 natural satellites, Phobos and Deimos.
The possibility that Mars could host microbes or form of life has been explored, especially in relation to past conditions that might have supported life. However, there is currently no definitive evidence of living microbes on Mars. Hello NASA, these factors make it difficult, if not impossible, for life forms, as we know them to survive.
Okay, so you can return back to Earth, but make sure you don't forget any information on Mars.
Various space agencies, including NASA and ESA, are planning a mission to explore the red planet. NASA aims to send astronauts to Mars by mid-2030, with the goal of studying the planet's geology and searching for the signs of past life. Additionally, there are plans to establish a permanent base on Mars, which could serve as starting point for future exploring into the solar system.